I cannot wait to try this. So today I'm going to show you what I'm doing to create my first AI faceless YouTube channel, just so you can see how a potential way of doing it and also if it's worth doing. I'll also provide update videos so you can see the progress and how well it does. I have no idea what to expect, but I really can't wait to jump into it. So this video series will span a year in total, showing how I establish, maintain, and also the benefits of creating this YouTube channel. Today though, I'll share how I went from no idea of what to do to posting my first video on a faceless AI-generated YouTube channel. So how do I get started? Well, the first thing I need to do obviously is come up with a topic of the channel. Now the issue with this is that since I'm using AI to generate the content, it can't be too technical where I can't personally verify the information it's providing, because if I don't know what's going on, then I can't know that what I'm putting out is actually legitimate information. So this leaves two really strong categories: news and entertainment. And for this, I chose to stick to the entertainment category. So let's see how I used AI to come up with this channel. So the first thing I'll need to do is to really narrow down the topic. Sure, it's entertainment, but what types of entertainment would it be easy for AI to generate? Well, first I'll start by using Gemini to narrow this down. So here I'll just show you how you can query Gemini in order to narrow down on a specific topic for your videos. It really doesn't take much, just knowing in general what you want to do and asking clarifying questions in order to choose a specific topic for your video or your channel. And from there, if I had my own idea, then I can ask Gemini to add that idea to that list just to see where it falls, and then provide suggestions on how to make that idea more like the best idea it came up with. So that will help both create new ideas for you and help you improve your current ideas. Now that I have a really specific subject, I need to create my channel profile picture, the channel name, channel description, and start working on the first video. Now, a lot of this I could do myself, and I already have a good idea of what I want to do for it, but I really want to show you how AI could just do this for me. Okay, so let's start with a profile picture and the banner. For this, I'll be using Leonardo AI. So this here is Leonardo AI. So this is the only tool I use in this video that is technically not completely free, but it is a freemium, and you are able to generate a couple of images every day. But that is the good news. If you happen not to be able to get what you're looking for in your initial query, you are able to just wait a day and you'll get more points to generate more images. I know a lot of YouTubers such as Ray William Johnson also use this for their videos, and here I'll just show you what I did in order to get my profile picture and my channel profile. And we also need to create a description for the YouTube channel so that YouTube knows who to promote this content to and just what the channel contains. So I can actually just use the same chat that I used to get the channel topic in order to get ideas for the channel name and description. I always like to ask Gemini to list the options from best to worst with an explanation. And if I get a new idea, then I can ask where it fits and how it can be improved to match the best options. And a quick side note for you YouTube nerds. So it's actually really important that you do your channel description just right, because if you're producing videos that don't fully match your description, YouTube just doesn't promote it as much. I noticed that with this channel. Initially, I didn't mention AI at all in my channel description, so when I produced videos related to AI, YouTube just didn't show it to people. when I produced a video related to data, which was more the focus of my channel description initially, YouTube really pushed it. So keep that in mind. Awesome. So now that we have our channel profile picture, our channel title, banner, description, let's go ahead and start creating the first video using AI. So I'll just start by getting the content or story description with Gemini, and then I'll use that description to create a longer story using Claude. So first I'll just copy Gemini's description, and then I'll input it into Claude and tell it to write a 15-minute long scary story based on that description. And if it needs any changes, I can always update the prompt and tamper with it a bit in post. This is really starting to come together. So now that we have a story, we need to create a voiceover for it. So let me hop on over to Speak Perfect to show you how to do that. So initially I was planning to use a tool called Speak Perfect, which was supposed to be free. It turns out it was actually a freemium because there was a character limit that was far too low, even just for this single video. So instead I went ahead and I took the leap and I got 11 labs. So I'll be showing you here how you can just upload the text that you're using. You can then select the voice that you want to use for it. It even tells you which voices are good for certain things. From there, you can even edit like the speed of the voice and how expressive it is. And finally, you can also dub your voice if you wanted to. I'm not doing that for this video, but that's certainly something I'll go into in another video. So for this first video, I'll just be doing a dark screen storytelling or reading for sleep or studying. You can definitely add visuals using AI, but I won't be showing that for this video. That's something I'll show you later. And as for the video description, we can actually just upload the audio or video to Notebook LM, get a description, and then use Gemini 2.0 with reasoning across apps, such as YouTube, to clean it up and get the best description for the least effort. And now that we've brought all of these elements together, we've actually gone ahead and created the first video on a completely new channel generated by AI. I really hope you enjoyed that, and I can't wait to see where this goes, and I'll share that with you too. So definitely be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for updates. See you later.
It began with a flicker, a momentary lapse in reality. One moment, Marcus was hunched over his desk, his fingers flying across the keyboard, the harsh glare of his computer screen reflecting off his wire-rimmed glasses.